Namaste students. Last class what we studied? We studied integer. Isn't it? Our topic is integer. We studied what? We studied rules in number line and addition rule. What is the addition rule? When two positive numbers are added, we write the positive sign and also add the two numbers. First one. Second one, if two negative numbers are added, we write the negative sign and add the numbers. Third rule, if there is different sign, we want to write the greater number sign and subtract the numbers. Yes, these are the addition rule. Today, we are going to study about properties of addition and subtraction. What are the properties in addition and subtraction? There are closure property, commutative property, associative property and additive identity. Four rules. Four properties are there. First one is closure property. Closure property. How the closure property is in addition? In addition, when we add two positive numbers or when we add two integers, if it is positive or negative, positive or negative, when we add two integers, we will get an integer. The answer must be an integer. When we add two integers, whether it is positive or it is negative, we will get an integer and we will get a result as integer. Addition. In addition, what is the rule? If we add two positive integers, we will get an not two positive integers. If we add two integers, we will get a what? Integer. For example, take any two numbers. 5, 3. This 2 is what? Integer. Is it? And what is 8? 8 is an integer. Then take 2 negative. -2 plus minus 3. What is the answer? Negative sign. Add the numbers. 5. This is also an integer. Is it? Then next one is -5 plus 2 or 7. 7. One is negative, another one is positive. In addition, addition rule, if there is two different sign, what we want to do? We want to write the greater number sign. Here which is the greater number? 7. What is the sign? Plus. Then subtract the numbers. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 is an integer. Next is 10 plus minus 13. Okay. Here one is positive, another one is negative. Is it? So, greater number sign minus, subtract the number. 13 minus 10. 3. Minus 3 is an integer. So, when we add any two integers, we will get an integer. നമ്മുടെ രണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സിനുണ്ട്. പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയാലും ശരി നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയാലും ശരി നമുക്ക് എന്തോന്ന് കിട്ടും? ഇൻറ്റീജർ ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടും. സോ അഡിഷൻ ഈസ് ക്ലോഷർ. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദാറ്റ്? അഡിഷൻ ഈസ് ക്ലോഷർ. ദെൻ സി subtraction. if it is closure or not. Take any two numbers. Which one? Okay, -5, -3. Two numbers, is it? What we want to do? Subtract. In subtraction, there is one more rule is there. Subtraction. Subtract ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ subtract സൈനിൻ്റെ അടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈൻ എഴുതി കൊടുക്കണം. So that is -5 plus -3 becomes +3. Now here it is different sign. So what do you want to do? Greater number sign. Subtract the number. -2 is an integer. -2 is an integer. Next take. 8 minus -1. 8 minus -1. So 8. This minus become plus. So inside the minus, that is -1 becomes +1. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 9, is it? Plus 9 is an integer. Like this, when we subtract two integers, we will get an integer. അതായത് രണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റീജറിനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാനും നമുക്ക് എന്തോ കിട്ടും? ഇൻറ്റീജർ കിട്ടും. സോ അഡിഷൻ ആൻഡ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ഈസ് ക്ലോഷർ. അതുകൊണ്ട് അഡിഷനും സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനും എന്താണ്? ക്ലോഷർ. ക്ലോഷർ ഈസ് അണ്ടർ ക്ലോഷർ. Addition and subtraction is under closure. Next property is commutative property. Next property is commutative property. Next property is commutative property. Here we want to take any two numbers. We want to take not numbers, any two integers. Here one rule is there. A plus B equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A. That is, take any two numbers. 5, 7. Listen, this is two integers. And 5 plus 7. What is the answer? 5 plus 7. What is? 12. Listen, 7 plus 5. 12. That is, A is 5. B is 7. നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്തു? രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എടുത്തു, 5ഉം 7. എ വന്ന് 5ഉം ബി വന്ന് 7ഉം. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 5, 12. എങ്ങനെ മാറി മറിച്ച് കൊടുത്താലും ആൻസർ 1. സോ എ പ്ലസ് ബി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ബി പ്ലസ് എ. Therefore addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Then we want to go subtraction. We can check subtraction. Take any two numbers. Now addition is commutative under addition is commutative. Next subtraction. Check. Take any two integers. Which one? 5, 3. These two, we are taking two integers. Check. 5 minus 3. What is the answer? 5 minus 3? 2. This is an what? Integer. Okay. Then reverse it. 3 minus 5. What is the answer? Minus 2. Whether it is same? No. That is A minus B not equal to B minus A. രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിന് രണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സ് ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സ് എടുത്ത് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ തിരിച്ച് കൊടുത്താലും അതേ ആൻസർ കിട്ടില്ല. സോ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ഈസ് നോട്ട് comes under commutative property. See here, addition is comes under commutative property, but subtraction is not comes under commutative property. Understand one? Next is associative property. Next property is associative property. Associative property. Here we want to take any three integers. We want to take how many integers? Three integers. Using these three integers, whether it is in addition, whether it is associative, in subtraction, if it is, whether it is associative, we want to check it. First, addition. Check it. Here is we want to find A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is the rule. അതായത് ആദ്യത്തെ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറിന് മൂന്നാമത്തെ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും അടുത്ത രണ്ടാമത്തതും മൂന്നാമത്തെ നമ്പറിന് ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആദ്യത്തെ നമ്പർ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും ആൻസർ സെയിം ആണോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ടേക്ക് എനി ത്രീ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. വാട്ട് ആർ ദ ത്രീ നമ്പേഴ്സ്? 4 minus 2 minus 5. These are the three integers. Same. These are the three integers. First check it. A plus B plus C. That is A, what is 4 plus minus 2 plus minus 5. A means A is 4. This plus. B is minus 2. Inside one bracket. Then plus. This plus will come here. C is minus 5. Understand? Then first we want to find the value of inside the bracket. നമ്മുടെ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനകത്തിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ ആദ്യം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. സോ ഫൈൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്. 4 plus minus 2. That is different sign. Is it? Addition. In addition different sign comes. What we want to do? Different sign ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്തോ ചെയ്യും? Write the greater number sign. Here which is the greater? 4. So sign is plus. Plus. Then subtract the number. 4 minus 2. 2. This one. Then plus minus 5. Then see it. 2 and minus 5. Different sign. Is it? And different sign. So greater number sign. Which is the greater number? 5. Sign is minus. So minus. Subtract the numbers. 5 minus 2. 3. Okay. Next. See that. A plus B plus C. What is the value of A? 4. 4 plus B is minus 2 plus minus 5. C is minus 5. That is we taken. Set. Now 4 plus ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനകത്തുള്ളതാണ് ആദ്യം ചെയ്യണം. So do it this first. Same sign, negative negative. So what is the sign? Negative sign. Add the numbers. We want to, if the sign is same, write the same sign and add the numbers. So add 5 plus 2, 7. Is it? Now see here. 4 plus minus 7. Here different sign. Plus 4 minus 7. What want to do? Greater number sign. Here which is the greater number? Minus. 7 is the greater number. So minus sign. Subtract the number. 7 minus 4. 3. See the answer? Both are same answer. Therefore addition is what? Under associative property. Addition comes under associative property. Here subtraction is not comes under associative property. That is what subtraction associative property അല്ല. മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ എന്തോ ചെയ്തു? മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സെയിം ആൻസർ കിട്ടില്ല. So that is a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. അതായത് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ മാറ്റിയിട്ട് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ സെയിം ആൻസർ കിട്ടില്ല. So a minus b is minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Therefore subtraction is not comes under associative property. Comes under associative property. Next is additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity. Here 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. What is 0 is the additive identity. When we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number. നമ്മുടെ 0 ഏത് നമ്പറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും whether it is positive integer or whether it is negative integer, we will get the same number. That is see here. 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 10, 10. This is positive. See? So here minus 5 plus 0, minus 5. 0 plus minus 11 or minus 12, minus 12. 0 ന്റെ കൂടെ ഏത് ഇൻറ്റീജറിനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും അതേ ഇൻറ്റീജർ. So 0 is the additive identity. This is the one word question. Dash is the additive identity. Which is the additive identity? 0 is the additive identity. So listen here. What are the properties? What are the properties? Same. First one is closure property. When we add or subtract any two integers, we will get an integer. Next is commutative property. That is addition is commutative under commutative property, but subtraction is not comes under commutative property. Next is associative property. Addition comes under associative property, but subtraction will not comes under associative property. Next, 0 is the additive identity. Okay, students, this much is your today. I am stopping your class. Okay, thank you.